As in brief history, we can say in the 1960s was the founding period in the origination of the North Carolina State University, which was initially focused on agriculture data analysis. So it's as stated, essays or statistic analysis software was developed by North Carolina State University in the late 1960s, and it was initially focused on agriculture data analysis. But after seeing the potential it could lead in the modern days, in the 1976 software suite development occurred, which had led the SAS Institute Incorporate Foundation, which marked a transition to a comprehensive software suite for data analysis. And due to that, it has many leveraging properties, scientific research availability, and robust set of statistical after providing the data to it. In the 1980s, marketing expansion took place for SAS, as many business intelligence and the data scientists have noticed the SAS's potential, and due to which it expanded its market presence and solidified position as a leading software solution analytics and business intelligence. Through this, SAS has become what it is, which provides a robust set of materials, tools, and security the for development of the many types of decisions, which also led large handling and complex data sets, which is due to scientific research often involves dealing with large data sets and complex variable, and due to its data management tools, facilities, and handling cleaning of such data, it has ensured accuracy and relevance of research at hands, which has led to software solutions and business analytics intelligence as a leading software.